first question is to Conor Morgan.
Okay.
If you could choose a superpower, what would it be and why?
If I could choose a superpower, I would choose to be able to fly, because I would be able to go home right now and come back at any time. The next question is to Kerem. Kanter, happy birthday. How did you learn Spanish so fast?
Well, I'm still in the process of learning. It's my first year in Spanish, but just going to the grocery store, talking to cashier, talking to teammates. I'm still in the process. I wouldn't say I learned it all the way, but I'm in the process. Okay, my question is to my dear friend Alen Omic. Can you explain the meaning of your lion tattoo on your arm?
What?
Explain us the meaning of the tattoo you have on your arm, the lion tattoo.
Good question, Elliot. Because of me and my son. I'm the biggest one, he's the small one.
Okay.
Nice.
And now what?
Ask me a question.
Nice.
I asked my friend, when you take haircut, Dawson.
When I get a haircut?
Yeah.
When Corona is finished, my friend. When Corona is finished.
Damn, this is after 1 year, eh?
5 years.
I got you. Next question.
Okay. Klemen. My dear friend Klemen Prepelic. Okay. If you would be an animal, what animal would you be?
I would love to be a lion because lion is a king of the animals, and he's like very very dominant. So I would love to be a lion. The next question is for my neighbor, Harangody. So the question is, where you would love to spend your next holidays?
My next holidays, I would like to spend in, that's a good question. Somewhere in the Caribbean. Somewhere on the beach.
Good one.
Not the Badalona beach.